Okay, class, welcome to week 3 of your ACT prep class. I hope that by now you are used to using the Schmoop website and comfortable with logging in and navigating around the Schmoop website. If not, of course, please let me know and we can work on that together. This week we are still focusing on the English section, and we'll do a little bit more with grammar and usage and sentence structure and also some writing strategies. We'll start by reading this resource on grammar and usage, and then, actually, I'm going to reverse that order. We're going to start with the student survey, and because I neglected to put this into weeks 1 and 2, I want to learn a little bit more about you. So please take the survey and make sure you click submit at the end of the survey, and then go back and type that you have completed the survey in the box in Moodle. This will help me know a little bit more about you, how I can contact you, and also when you're planning on taking the ACT. And to determine that, you're going to want to go here. Let me pull this over. On the side of your course, it says go here for the ACT website for test dates and locations. I want you to look there and decide when you are planning on taking the ACT this year. It could be just one time, it could be multiple times. That will be one of the questions on that survey. And the other questions are just a little bit about you and your contact information. So please fill that out. Then read this on grammar and usage and take the first practice exam for English 1. This will take 35 minutes, so be prepared to spend 35 minutes doing that. Once you open up the exam, the timer starts, so make sure you're ready to go right when you open up the exam. Then you're going to read this information on sentence structure and complete these drills on sentence structure. Remember to spend 30 to 45 minutes on the drills and review the ones that you've missed. Then we have some bonus reading on writing strategies. The ACT, the schools in Utah don't all require the writing section of the ACT, so you are going to want to contact the schools that you are going to apply to and see if they require the writing portion, but most schools don't require it. If you're a good writer and that's a strength for you, you may want to take it anyway because that can help you get scholarships and admissions to school. So if you're planning on taking the writing exam, then there's a whole list of resources in Schmoop for writing. I'm not going to require those because that would take up time that might not be useful to some students, but if it's useful to you, please go ahead and do those writing assignments. Just so you know, I'm an English teacher, and so if you complete the practice writing drills, it's not automatically graded because they're essays, but you can send them to me, and I'll be happy to look at them and give you any feedback that would be helpful. So that is week 3, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions.